Hi, and welcome to SERVERware host video tutorial. Hosts must be correctly installed before you can add them to the SERVERware virtualization platform. Before adding hosts, ensure that the IP address has been assigned correctly. So to start, log into your SERVERware and navigate to host view. In case you don't know host IP address, you can add a host from Discover the Host list. Next to the Add Host button, click on the down arrow and select Discovered Host from a drop-down menu. Find and select available hosts from the list and click on the Add Host button. This will open Add Host module and auto-populate most information. To add a host manually, click on the Add Host button and under Purpose, select Processing to add a processing host, or choose Backup in order to add a backup host. In our case, we will select Processing. This adds two additional fields, Storage Location and Service Pool. Under Storage Location, select Network Storage, and under Service Pool, select Mixed Pool option. Next, choose a host name. Enter the IP address of the host that you entered during the SERVERware installation, and leave the default port number as is. In case you have not changed the password manually, enter SERVERware in lowercase letters as a password. As soon as you have entered the default password, you will be asked to change it. For security reasons, make sure to enter secure password that is at least 10 characters long and contains upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. When done, click on Add button to submit the form. You have just finished adding a new host. After a host has been added, updated, or an existing host has been taken down for maintenance, it needs to be enabled before it can be used. In order to enable a host, select a host from the list and select the Enable button. If you have done everything correctly, the host state should change to Up. Next, we will look at managing host network interfaces. Network Interfaces tab on the Details pane of a host allows you to attach one or more of the host's physical network interface cards to a predefined logical subnets in the SERVERware environment. There are three logical subnets defined by SERVERware during installation: Local Area Network, used for SERVERware management traffic as well as for VPS services. Replication Area Network is used for the storage mirroring. It is implemented as a direct connection between two storage hosts that constitute a fault-tolerant storage solution. Storage Area Network is used for storing traffic between storage and processing hosts. The Network Interface tab displays name, logical subnet name, IP address, subnet mask, MAC address, and link status for each host interface. There is an Edit button next to each interface. The network interface configured during the host installation is automatically assigned to the LAN subnet. RAN interface is used only by storage servers and is configured automatically by Setup Wizard. The SAN interface is automatically set up on the storage servers by the Setup Wizard, but it needs to be configured upon new processing host addition. Select the appropriate host and click Maintenance button to switch host into maintenance mode. Click Network Interface tab on the Details pane to display the list of network interface cards on the host, their address and other specifications. Click the Edit button next to the network interface card that you want to edit. Edit Host Network Interface dialog. Select the logical subnet from the list to attach network interface card to a different logical subnet. Provide an IP address belonging to the selected logical subnet. Click Save button to apply the changes. And then click Enable button to enable the host. Hosts must occasionally be brought down for maintenance. You have to manually migrate or stop all virtual servers before shutting it down. Placing a host into maintenance mode is a way to notify SERVERware controller that the host is no longer a stable resource for VPS hosting and cannot be used as a target for new VPSs as well as target for VPSs migration or failover. To move a host into a maintenance mode, select a host and click the Maintenance button. Click Yes to confirm. The host state field and the icon changes to indicate that the host is in maintenance mode. Perform any required task, and when the host is ready to be re-enabled, click the Enable button to enable the host. State field of the host changes to Up. You can edit the details of a host, such as its name or network configuration. To edit host details, select the host you want to edit, click the Edit button, and edit the details as required. Click Save to apply the changes. Hosts that are no longer being used by SERVERware can be removed. A host removing action is allowed only for the processing host. A processing host can be removed only if there is no hosted VPSs on it. So in order to remove a processing host, for any reason, make sure that you have previously moved all VPSs to another processing host. To remove a host, select the host to be removed, click the Remove button, confirm the action, and the host disappears from the list. The SERVERware connector service agent running on a host is a crucial component for a proper functioning of a SERVERware environment, so it has to be updated if there are new features or bug fixes. The SERVERware connector. To update SERVERware connector, select the host for which SERVERware connector has to be updated. Move the host into maintenance mode. Click the Update SERVERware connector button. When update is complete, click the Enable button to enable the host. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need more help, be sure to visit Bicom Systems Wikimedia page.